Hi, I'm Vicky Ross, and I am a coach, I am a trainer, I'm a speaker, and I work predominantly in the leadership arena. So I work with business owners, but I also work with CEOs, directors, team leaders. If you need to understand behavior and get the best productivity, I'm the person to speak to, or I'm one of the people you can speak to. Right, so what do I want to tell you today? I'm a huge believer of meditation. And when I come into corporate and they go, oh, this is the woo-woo stuff, we don't do woo-woo stuff, I want to explain what is it about meditation that fits perfect in corporate. So when I hear that kind of resistance of like, oh, we don't do that kind of stuff here, I realize that people are lacking some information. So when I say to them, when you hear the word meditation, what do you associate it with? And typically people will associate it with, people that are very spiritual, people that are following Zen or Buddhism, or, it's all that kind of stuff. It's all the sort of the spiritual woo-woo, touchy-feely kind of things. So obviously they have not kept up with the times, because the times now have completely proven, scientifically proven, that this is not pseudoscience. This is science. So what is it about meditation? Let's think about it slightly different. The thing that most of us want out of our teams, out of ourselves, is to be productive, is to be able to have focus, concentration, get on the task, get on with it, feel okay. Yeah? Why do we want that? Because we want to have flow, we want to have happiness, we want to have freedom. The easiest and best way to train your brain to have super focus and super concentration is meditation. But here's the thing. You're not being trained. It's a skill. It's not I can do it. No, I can't do it. No, I'm spiritual enough. I can do it. No, it's got nothing to do with that. It just has to do with how good are you at riding a bicycle. I'm very good. Why is that? Oh, because you trained and you practiced. You learned the skill. You did it enough. And now you can ride a bicycle quite well. For the same token, there are adults that can't ride a bicycle because they've never been taught. Meditation is no different. You have to understand how, by understanding what you're doing, why you're doing it, so that you know how to do it, and then you need to practice. So people try meditation and, within like 3 seconds, now I'm exaggerating, but in a very short space of time, they are washing dishes, or they're cooking dinner, or they're writing an email, or, they've gone shopping. And then suddenly it's like, oh, I'm supposed to be meditating. I'm supposed to be focusing on my breath or on my nose. And oh God, I'm rubbish at this. I can't do this. This is too hard. Every time you fail, it's a win, because you had to be aware that you were supposed to be following your breath. You're supposed to be noticing this, whatever, something else. And you noticed that you went shopping, or you were cooking your lasagna, or you were cleaning out your fridge. You notice that. And when you notice that, you brought yourself back. And that's the win. And the more you do it, the more you'll see that you don't need to go and shop or cook lasagna or clean your fridge while you're meditating. The more you do it, you train your brain to go, you know what? You can go shopping all you like. I'm still going to sit down and I'm going to do the job. I'm going to sit here for an hour or half an hour, whatever you decide to start with, and I'm going to do the job, because I know what I want out of myself, and eventually the body will settle. So your job, when you decide that you want to do meditations, because the benefits are endless to healing completely, but let's not go too far ahead. Just for you as somebody in business or as a leader, it brings up focus, it brings up concentration, it brings productivity up, and people are more in alignment with themselves, are more aware of when they are in stress, and it brings it, because meditation is one of the best ways that you can change your body's energy so that it can calm down and take you out of stress. Why is that important? I heard somebody say that. Ask me, why is that important? When you are in high stress, on a physical level, in your brain, what's going on, you are in the beta, but high beta level, which means that your body, not your logical mind, but your body thinks you're under attack, that you're in danger. You are switching on your survival mode. And when you're in survival mode, your vision narrows in because you need to be able to spot where the danger is. So all your problem solving and all your creativity and all of that, it goes out the window. It's not important when a saber tiger is chasing you to be going, how can I solve this better? How can I write this email or whatever? It's not important. What's important is to run and hide or fight, although you can't fight a saber-tooth. So your body thinks that it's under attack and that it's in danger, and therefore it cannot function properly. That's high stress. The biggest problem we have today is that we've done it for so long that we've normalized it. And the problem is that we've done it for so long that we've made it normal. And now we don't know that this is wrong for you. So next time you think that meditation is woo-woo or it's not for you or you can't do it, persist. Speak to me. I'll teach you how to do it. I'll teach your whole company how to do it. Have a conversation with me. Give me a DM. Let's do some cyber coffee and let's talk about this, because there's better and easier ways to become fully functioning and happy. Here's to your success, and I look forward to hearing from you.